Ideas Change by Design by Tim Brown offers an illuminating exploration of how design thinking can be used to foster innovation and create impactful solutions to complex challenges in business, social sectors, and everyday life. Brown begins the book by defining design thinking as a human-centered approach to problem-solving that prioritizes empathy, creativity, and collaboration. The essence of design thinking lies in understanding the needs of people, embracing experimentation, and iteratively prototyping to arrive at viable and innovative solutions. He positions design thinking not as a tool reserved for designers but as a universal framework that anyone can use to drive meaningful change. In the opening chapter, Brown introduces the concept of human-centered design, emphasizing that design is not merely about aesthetics or product development. Instead, it is about creating solutions that meet real human needs. This requires empathy as the cornerstone of the process, enabling teams to uncover insights that might otherwise remain hidden. Brown advocates for observing people in their natural environments, understanding their behaviors, and uncovering latent needs they may not be able to articulate. The book moves on to discuss the critical importance of collaboration in the design thinking process. Brown underscores the value of multidisciplinary teams that bring diverse perspectives to the table. By integrating various skill sets and viewpoints, teams can tackle problems in a holistic way, arriving at solutions that are both innovative and implementable. He contrasts this approach with traditional problem-solving methods, which often operate in silos and lack the creative synergy required to address complex challenges effectively. Brown delves into the iterative nature of design thinking, explaining that it is not a linear process but a dynamic cycle of prototyping, testing, and refining ideas. He likens this approach to a journey of exploration where failures are not setbacks but learning opportunities. By embracing failure, teams can gain critical insights that pave the way for more refined and impactful solutions. Prototyping, as Brown emphasizes, is not about perfection but about creating tangible representations of ideas that can be tested and improved upon. A significant portion of the book focuses on the power of storytelling in design thinking. Brown explains that storytelling is a crucial tool for communicating ideas and inspiring action. Stories have the ability to humanize data and make complex concepts accessible and relatable. By crafting compelling narratives around their ideas, design thinkers can galvanize support, foster alignment among stakeholders, and create a shared vision for change. In the context of business, Brown highlights the transformative potential of design thinking to drive innovation and competitive advantage. He shares examples of companies that have successfully integrated design thinking into their operations to create groundbreaking products, services, and experiences. Brown argues that in today's fast-paced, ever-changing world, organizations must adopt a design-led mindset to remain agile and responsive to customer needs. He also addresses the challenges of implementing design thinking in organizations, including resistance to change and the need for strong leadership to champion the approach. Brown extends the discussion beyond the business realm, exploring how design thinking can be used to address social challenges. He provides examples of initiatives that have applied design thinking to create sustainable solutions in areas such as healthcare, education, and poverty alleviation. By putting people at the center of the process and involving communities in co-creating solutions, design thinking has the power to generate systemic change and improve quality of life on a global scale. The book also touches on the role of design thinking in fostering a culture of innovation. Brown asserts that innovation is not the result of isolated moments of genius but the outcome of a deliberate and sustained process. He outlines strategies for cultivating a creative and experimental mindset within teams and organizations, including the importance of creating spaces that encourage collaboration and the freedom to fail. Throughout the book, Brown emphasizes the importance of asking the right questions. He posits that great design begins with a deep understanding of the problem at hand and the ability to reframe challenges in ways that open up new possibilities. By focusing on "how might we" questions, design thinkers can shift from problem-centric to solution-oriented approaches, unleashing their creative potential. Brown also discusses the role of leadership in driving design thinking initiatives. He argues that leaders must not only support the process but actively participate in it. Effective design leaders create an environment where teams feel empowered to experiment, take risks, and push the boundaries of what is possible. Brown provides practical advice for leaders on how to embed design thinking into organizational strategy and decision-making. The book features numerous case studies and real-world examples that bring the principles of design thinking to life. From redesigning healthcare experiences to creating user-friendly consumer products, these stories illustrate the versatility and impact of the approach. Brown's engaging writing style and thoughtful analysis make the book both an inspiring read and a practical guide for anyone looking to harness the power of design thinking. Brown concludes by urging readers to adopt a mindset of curiosity, empathy, and resilience. He emphasizes that design thinking is not a one-time process but a continuous journey of learning and growth. By embracing the principles outlined in the book, individuals and organizations can become agents of change, capable of tackling the world's most pressing challenges with creativity and purpose. The book's structure mirrors the iterative nature of design thinking itself, with each chapter building upon the previous one to create a comprehensive and cohesive narrative. Brown's insights are complemented by actionable advice and tools that readers can use to implement design thinking in their own contexts. The result is a powerful call to action for anyone seeking to make a positive impact in the world. For those interested in a deeper dive into these concepts, my YouTube channel features an engaging discussion of change by design, complete with additional case studies and insights on how to apply design thinking in various domains. Join me as we explore the transformative power of design thinking to create meaningful change in our lives, organizations, and communities.